Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a try on Mink lashes that are sold on Aliexpress. I actually have 11 styles. So I'm going to show you each style on my eyes and I'm going to show you how it looks like. And I'm also going to throw some tips and tricks on how to put on lashes. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first style that I'm going to try is DMT01. It's very spaced out, very fluffy, and I feel like it would just look very natural on. So just quick tip, if you're removing the lash from the tray, just use your fingers to pull it down to remove the glue, because if you start peeling it, then it would sometimes lose its form and it creates that tension between the lashes. So look at that. Because I pulled here, the band is kind of twisted, but no worries, you can just move it back and forward and curve it so it goes back to its shape. Also, my second tip is, see that clear line? Well, it's really good because it has a clear band, so it's easier to apply, to put eyeliner on, so it can be disguised and it wouldn't be too obvious. I actually like a clear band, and it's not usual that you get a lashes with a clean band, so this is actually plus points for them. So I usually put a dark eyeliner there, and then that's when I apply it on my lash line. This is the only thing I'm confused where the inner and outer corner is, because the length is pretty uniform. Oh, so this is also a good trick to know which part of the lash is the inner and the outer, or which one goes to the right or the left. So the inner part should be shorter and then the outer part should be longer. So this is to my right because it has this shorter length here, and this is to my left. So I'm just gonna cut the band near the inner corner, because that will actually prick you if you don't remove it. So make sure you remove it, just not the outside but also the inner corner. And then I'm gonna size it. It's actually perfect. Let me see. I might cut one. When I say one, like one group of lash like this. And then I'm going to place it on the lash tray again. And then let's see this one. Okay, I'm gonna remove one on that side too. It's better to remove one by one and not like by group, because it's easier to cut again. Once it's cut. So just be careful. I'm gonna use the end of my brush to get some glue and then glue it here on the lash band. I usually put more on the inner and outer corner, and then we're gonna wait for 15 to 20 seconds. And while we wait, I usually move it like this just so it's very curved, and you actually would see it change form, like the glue doesn't look too wet. And when the glue doesn't look too wet, that's the best time to put it on. The biggest mistake that people do when applying their lashes is they don't wait until the glue is tacky. And if it's not too tacky, it's too wet, it's just gonna go all over the place, and that's when the dilemma happens. So number one rule, just make sure that it's tacky enough. Putting my mirror near my chin so I know where it would fall off. At this angle, I can really see where it's going. So one down. The glue is still white, don't worry. It's gonna be clear after a few minutes when it dries. The second lash. Okay, this is the only time I'm gonna show this to you. The rest of the video, you're gonna see me just with the style of the lash. I feel like with this lash, I need to move it closer to my lash line, so I'm just using this one is an applicator from Velour. This one is perfect when you want to apply your lashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this dry and I'm gonna show you how it looks on my eyes. I think most Mink lashes in the market will be long. So I'm really used to my demi wispies, my Ardell demi wispies. And so with this, I really like it. It's just that I have to adjust my eyeliner. I have to make it more bold because it just wouldn't show if I didn't. So I like this style because it is spaced out, it is dense, and the way that it's curled, it really mimics natural lashes. Like, they are not curled the same way. And some of them are bunched up, some of them are spaced out. So it really looks like a natural lash. So far, so good. I really like this. And I like that it has a clear band because it's easier to put eyeliner on top and it looks more natural. It's really fused on my natural lash because of that really thin and clear band. So the second style that I got is DM02T. So this actually looks like my demi wispies, but it's longer and fluffier. Again, I like that it's very spaced out, so it looks more natural. I really actually like this style. It's like my demi wispies, but there's more lashes, and I like that it really opened up my eyes. With this type of style though, and with this type of length, I feel like I need to put my eyeshadow higher, but this is also complements my small eyes. Now we're on the style DM03T. This style is actually like the first one, the DM01, but this one has a lot more hairs on them. And this is how it looks like on. The more I'm trying this on, the more I'm loving it. I feel like this will be perfect for brides. This would really open up their eyes. I love the volume. This is also perfect, I think, for like a smoky eye look. But if you really have super small eyes, I feel like this will just eat your eyes. This is in the style DM05T. This is how it looks like. This style is one of the most comfortable style. I didn't even have to cut the ends. And I really like that it's between, it's not too sparse and it's not too voluminous. So I like it as well. There's nothing that I don't like about the Mink lashes that I got. So this is in the style DM06T. I feel like some of them are of the same style. The only difference I find is their curl. This one, first layer is curled like on a C curl like this, and then the second layer is more of a D curl like that. Oh my god, this is like giving me like the sexy vibe. Ah, I love every lash style I got. And since it's longer at the tip, it's giving me like that sexy cat eye look. So I really love this style. Oh my god, she looks like me. It's like me. Hello. How you doing? So this is in the style DM08. I feel like some of the styles are kind of repeating, so it's really just up to you. Let's do like a group side by side later, just so we know which one is which and which one is looking better. I like everything I tried on. And this is speaking from someone who has small eyes, and these lashes are actually long. The thing with this is, I guess because it has a clear band, it really fused nicely on my real lashes, so I don't mind it. It doesn't look fake. And I like that the hairs have different curls in them, so it looks very natural, very wispy. And most of them I don't need to cut, so I'm gonna try this on and be back. Showed you the 6 styles that I got. I'll be posting a part 2 of this video to show you the rest of the styles. So make sure you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is up. Thanks for watching. Bye!